Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add www in WordPress site. So for this you have to go to the start button, then you have to simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use, and then when you are here you have to just simply put in your login credentials then and log into your own account. After that, in the left hand side you will get the option of settings option. In the left hand side, just simply click on the settings option, and after that it will take a couple of seconds to get loaded. And here you will get the option of WordPress address URL. From here you have to just simply type in www dot, and then you have to just simply save it. And you can also add a custom address like this by clicking on here. You can also choose the time zone and also the date format from here. And here in the domain name, must make sure that you are typing the perfect domain name here, and in the top you have to just simply type in www dot and then click on save. And after that you have to just simply click on the save changes, and it will simply save the changes that you have made. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.